You are going to love the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.